you ever wanted to change the region of your ArcGIS Online organization to see more country-specific options, like the Canadian base map? Well, in today's GeoSnap, I'm going to show you how to do just that by changing your ArcGIS Online region to get better use out of your organization based on where it's located. So what do I mean by this? Well, if you're a foreign company, but your work primarily resides in Canada, your ArcGIS Online region may have been set to a different country instead of Canada. Luckily, this can easily be changed in your organization settings and is giving you access to things like the Community Base Map of Canada, changing your default measurements to metric, and so much more. To start, we can go to the Organization tab of your ArcGIS Online organization. From here, you can select Settings, and within General, you can scroll down to Organization Defaults, specifically Region. From here, you can change your region. In this case, I want to switch it to Canada. Additionally, if you work primarily in Quebec, you can also change your primary language to French in this same section. Let's see what this changes. You'll notice on the left in Map Viewer, I don't have access to the Community Base Maps of Canada. But on the right, once I switch my region, I now have access to detailed information about Canada known as the Community Base Maps of Canada, making it much better to get reliable information from our base maps. Now that you have access to these new maps, you can look at my other GeoSnap in the description for more information on how to use these base maps and make them your default for your organization. Happy mapping!